Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right ways to fix cellular not showing up on iPhone. If your iPhone isn't showing the cellular option in settings, it can be rather frustrating, especially when you need to make calls or use mobile data. This issue usually appears after a software update, a SIM card problem, or network misconfiguration. Luckily, there are some pretty handy fixes that can let you get rid of this annoying problem and bring up the cellular setting on your device. That said, let's get started. The first and the simplest fix is to restart your iPhone. Temporary software glitches can sometimes hide certain settings, including cellular. To restart your device, just press and hold the side button and the either volume button until the power slider shows up. Then you have to drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. And then you have to wait for a few seconds. And then you have to turn on your device. After restarting, go to the Settings app and check if the cellular option has reappeared. It's worth pointing out that a faulty or improperly inserted SIM card may cause your iPhone to stop showing the cellular option. Therefore, eject the SIM tray using a SIM ejector tool, remove the card, and then reinsert it securely. If you are using an eSIM, try reactivating it under the Settings app, Cellular, and then add eSIM option. Additionally, check for a carrier settings update by navigating to Settings, General, and About section. If an update is available, tap Update. This ensures your iPhone has the latest carrier configurations for proper network connection. If the cellular option is still missing, I would recommend you to reset the network settings on your iPhone. This step clears corrupted configurations that might interfere with your connection. Just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. After that, select the Reset option. Then you have to choose Reset Network Settings and confirm the action by inputting your device passcode. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart and you will need to reconnect to Wi Fi and Bluetooth devices. Now, check if the cellular option has returned. Note that outdated or buggy iOS versions can also sometimes cause system level issues like this. So head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to select Software Update option, and then you have to follow the usual process to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. However, if the problem still persists, I would recommend you to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Simply connect your device to a computer and then open Finder if you are using a macOS device. And if you are using a Windows device, you have to launch the iTunes app. And then you have to select your iPhone. After that, click on Restore iPhone option and confirm it. This will reinstall iOS, removing any underlying bugs that could be causing the missing cellular option. And that's about it. So, these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix cellular not showing up on iPhone problem. Hopefully, these handy tips have managed to get a better at the problem, and now cellular has not just showed up but also started to work like a charm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.